customer was nice enough to include your SKUs in the description, but that still means you have to go over them manually. Today I'll show you a solution so you can automate extracting this data. First, let's create a new purchase order template. We will split SKU codes to customer and supplier codes. For supplier SKUs, we can add a guideline that they can usually be found in the description. Next, upload your purchase order documents to the app or set up an integration, and Extract AI will do the rest. And just like that, your data is ready for integration with ERP system. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next one.